So what does Ingusheteni mean? Waiting this up. Oh, sorry, that was not part of it. Sorry. Alright guys, so you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be looking at the Ingusheteni choreography. So I'll be teaching you my own version of the choreo. And also teaching you the other versions of the choreo. So what does Ingusheteni means? It means shoot me more, or I need more, or give me more. You understand? So it's actually a slang in South Africa that means shoot me more. You get. So the choreography most people were doing were the shoot me more version of it. Let's get started. Alright, so that's my own version of the choreography. I'm going to be breaking down for you so that you know how to go about it. So the first thing is you doing like this. So you're doing it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It's that Amapiano move that you go like this, like you're begging. You're begging, you understand? So you're doing 3 times. So you're going 1, 2, 3. The next one is your left leg moving towards the side. So it's like kicking. Ka, ka. That's just it. So it's 1, 2, and the shoulder hit. You're doing it twice. So it's going 1, 2, hit, 1, 2, hit. Now, immediately you're done with this last hit, it's bouncing you up to go 1, 2. Come again. 1, 2, hit, 1, 2, hit, 1, 2. So it's immediately. Let's go again from the top. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, hit, 1, 2, hit, 1, 2. So now the next thing, once you're done with the 1, 2, the next one is 1, 2, like you're slicing something, like you're cutting something. You get. So the right hand is going together with the right leg. So it's going 1, it returns back. The left hand goes up together with the left leg. 1, returns back. Are we good? So let's take it again from this part coming back. So when we go hit, 1, 2, enter the move. You get it? Enter the move. Now, once you're done with that, the next move is you flow. So it's going 1, 2, 3. So it's like 1, 2, 3. It's like a current flowing from beneath your leg down to your, it moves like this. So it's coo, 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 coo. So it's like flow. It's like a current here. So it moves. So what did I say? Once you're done with hey, hey, k, k, k. What did I say? Hey, hey, k, k, k. Then you can either do, this is my choreo, this is my own version, you understand? So you can either go the whisk dance, but just halfway, not the complete samba whisk dance. So you could just go 1, 2, or you could just go 1, 2, 3, 4. You get. So let's go again. From the top, it's going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, hit, 1, 2, hit, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my own version. So if I want to increase the tempo, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, hey, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, hey, hey, k, 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 ha, 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 ha. That's it. Did you get it? If you did, congratulations. So now let's move to the next one, which is the other choreo. First thing, you need to keep your hand like you're taking a picture, you get? So like I said, the meaning is shoot me more, you get? So like you're taking a picture. Now when you're taking that picture, you raise your leg up. You get the vibe? So you're going, one is 2 times you're going. So you're going 1, 2. You get it? So you're going 1, 2. The next move is like you're hitting something, like imaginary punching bag. So you go, so after you're done with 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, roll. 1, 2, 3, roll. You hit the other side. 1, 2, 3, roll. Shwalabami. 1, 2, 3, 4. You repeat the process again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, roll. 1, 2, 3, roll. Shwalabami. 4 times. That's very easy. You can actually choose to move with the 1, 2, 3. So you could go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, roll. 1, 2, 3, roll. Shwalabami. It's very easy. Just keep repeating the move and that's all. Waiting this up. Oh, sorry, that was not part of it. Sorry. Okay. All right, guys. So we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something. If you didn't, please go back and watch the video again. Now, if this is your first time visiting this channel, please tap the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. And with all that said, tell me what choreography you want me to teach you next. Drop it in the comment section. I love you all. Let's do this.